Okay, in this little video, we will show you how to make labels in case you don't know. The way we do it is we create a layer. So let's go to the layers, and we'll call this, well, let's select piping fasteners because it's the same color that we use, okay? And we'll call this new layer. We'll call this cabinet 1, okay? And enter. And then we could create another cabinet 2, enter, and create another cabinet 3, enter, and cabinet 4. Now this is just a hypothetical. So we want to choose the cabinet 1 as the layer for the first one. Okay, so here we want to make a sphere, and we can zoom in on the place where we put it, the POC, right in. And we'll call it center. Okay, there we boom, and we make it, in this case, 1.5 inches, so 3/4 be the size. And you can probably see it better in conceptual, or better yet, even in X-ray. Okay. Then we, maybe the better way than that, even. Let's try realistic. There you go. Okay, so one of the things I want to do is put everything always in the same spot. So let's go visualize, and then we go to the views and we choose southwest isometric, and that gives us this north arrow towards top left. Okay, which is our standard in detailing. Okay, then we draw a little line from the center outward, and we stop. And then we MT for multi-text, and we make a place for it. And there it is. We'll call it cabinet 1. You will replace this with actual valve numbers, and you don't want to hit enter. You want to close the text editor. So there it is, and we want to scale that. Select that, enter, specify the base point, and we want to make it quite big. Okay, we might even make it bigger. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so then we select this and we drag this over and connect it to our dot, a line there. So then we use 3D rotate. We pick the pivot point and we rotate it Okay, we'll go -90. There you go. Stand it up. Okay. So now we take that drag point. We put it on our dot, and then we can move up from there. Okay, let's get rid of this. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Get rid of the connector there. Okay, so what we can do is choose this ball, choose this, and copy this a few times. And our pivot, our displacement point, let's put one there, one there, one there. Okay, now escape. Now we can do this. We can go in and select, and we'll change that to cabinet 2. Change that to cabinet 3. And change this to cabinet 4. Okay, so now we can select the cabinet. You see it's in the cabinet layer, cabinet 1. Go to our layers, and let's do it this way. Let's go to home, choose layer, and let's choose cabinet 2. So we make that those 2 items. I didn't change it, did I? Let's try this again. Layers, cabinet 2. Okay. Escape. Now we did it. And we change this, and we change that to cabinet 3. Hit escape. And we go to this one, this ball, and we change that to cabinet 4. Okay, so that is how we line up. We view from the southwest so that our labels are readable, and that goes for the valve set, the connection POCs. This is not a POC, so this is not really accurate, but use the same sort of technique on a POC.